Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick video for you about Titano Finance, as the CERTIK audit has been completed and released to the public as in a PDF form. So I'm going to go through that with you today, just run through some of the major steps that were acknowledged and resolved. And as always, if you guys could like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you know when I drop videos, I would greatly appreciate it. Now that this is finalized and finished, Titano can move forward with their migration of V2 to get the ball rolling, and all the holders can now ease their stress a little bit about the project. So I'm going to quickly run through this PDF. This is the official PDF from CERTIK. You can catch that on their website, on the CERTIK website. But I will also leave the links in the description down below for this PDF that you can check out. By the way, guys, I recommend that you read this yourself. I'm just going to do a quick skim over it, just a nice short video, like a summary video. But I recommend that you read this yourselves, especially if you are invested in the Titano project. This is very important for the future of Titano and all the things that you need to know about it. So I recommend that you read this. Okay, so here's just an overview right here. Here's a vulnerability summary. There were 0 criticals found. There were 3 majors. But they were not resolved, but they were acknowledged, so that's good enough. 2 mediums, 1 was acknowledged, the other one was resolved. 1 minor, that was acknowledged. 2 informational, they were resolved, and yeah. Okay, so there was a total of 8 issues, you can see here, just along the side. Here's a list of what they were, and these are the things that the community brought up. A lot of videos that are out on YouTube where people have gone through the contracts and they've stated all the things that were wrong with the contract that shouldn't be in there. So these are all the things that CERTIK has found, and they've worked together with Titano to clarify and clear them up. So yeah, the initial token distribution, the centralization risk in Titano, a couple of missing errors, some third-party dependencies, another centralized risk in the ad liquidity, fee distributions, and potential issues with the tokenomics. So I'm going to quickly run through these. First one is decentralization and privilege. All of the Titano tokens are sent to the contract deployer when deploying the contract. This could be a centralization risk, as the developer can distribute Titano tokens without obtaining the consensus of the community. Now, that sounds pretty bad, so but they have acknowledged this. All right, and here's their recommendation. We recommend the team to be transparent regarding the initial token distribution process, and the team shall make enough efforts to restrict the access of the private key. Fairly good. This is a good bit here. They've actually written down what the Titano team has said. On the new Titano V2 token for the initial distribution, we will not count the burn and Unicrypt locker address, as now our circulating supply is 2.76%. So we will mint 3% to be sure that everything is handled well of the Titano V1 total supply. Then the initial distribution will be splitted in pancake swap liquidity migration contract. The remaining Titano V2 tokens will be sent to the burn address. All of these with related transactions will be posted on our white paper before the migration starts. So that's awesome. That's the team being as transparent as possible and not trying to hide anything, and just following along with what they need to do to get this to get the ball rolling. So I really admire their passion for this project, and it's everything they've been doing lately has just been proving. So here's the second one. It's another major, and this one's for the role of the owner. Okay, so the owner has the authority over the functions shown in the diagram below. Any compromise to the owner's account may allow the hacker to take advantage of this authority. So that is very bad, and what they mean by that is that the owner is the only one that can do transactions, or make transactions and make rules and everything like that about the wallet or what it can do and stuff like that. So what they need to do is change that from one person to like a multi-sig wallet, where you can have where you need multiple parties to make transactions or change things or stuff like that. So, and here's a whole list of all the things that the one owner can do. The major thing right here was the max fee rate, max fee buy, and max fee sell. That basically means that they were able to change the buy and sell fees all the way to 100%. And that's what a lot of the community had brought up, and they were quick to change that in the contract for the V2 migration. And obviously now that's all been resolved. So yeah, they just changed that. So their recommendations for that was right here, to change the security practices to something like a multi-signature wallet, where you need multiple parties to make any changes or transactions and stuff like that. So as we go down to Titano, yeah, we will send the ownership of Titano V2 to a multi-sign contract combination after the migration is completed. Here's the wallet address for that. So yeah, that's awesome. These are the good things that they were able to pick up. I know that the audit took a long time, but I'd rather it take a long time and things be picked up and resolved or acknowledged, rather than it just be a quick one and then they miss a few things and then something bad happens in the future. So, but yeah, the rest are all there for you to check out on your own. I just want to make a quick video about the update for the audit now that it's complete. I really do advise everyone go through and read everything, especially if you are invested in the Titano project, because it's for your well-being in terms of your investment. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys did like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you know when I drop the next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.